Hi guys, good morning. It's a beautiful Sunday here. It's really nice weather right now. We have a day planned and it's been really fun. So let me catch you guys up. So my boyfriend's grandfather and his wife are in town and we went out to dinner to them today. We're going out for breakfast. There's the family waiting for me. And yeah, I feel cute. We're gonna go to the Botanical Garden, so we have a full day planned. So you guys will see that as well.
We need a seat with a better headrest.
Cutie!
You're welcome to attempt to fix it.
We're in the back of a van. This is my beautiful boyfriend.
Like an hour and I just conceded.
He looks so cute and old.
Is
I
it
like
like
it.
a...
Thank you.
So, where are we going?
The gardens.
Enough of your schoolwork done?
How was
I
breakfast?
took
Or you
the
still
test.
got-
this
Delicious.
Yeah. Or you still got
Okay.
stuff?
I still
You?
got two things. I got a
It was
remix
good.
And a
Good.
project
When did they do?
tonight.
I'm loving my skin today. I break out someone on my chin. Try not to think about it too much.
Not right now.
But it's one of those that I feel it
Probably
under
gonna
the
switch
skin
campus
already,
in,
you know?
maybe a few months.
We'll make some cookies for it when we go home.
So Papa
Not appreciated.
asked me yesterday, what
Not appreciated here. Guys, we just got to the Botanical Gardens. They have a cute little garden before you actually go into the garden itself. So I'm taking some footage while I'm waiting for the family to get ready to go in. So beautiful day out, like literally stunning. And this place is packed, which is funny because it's the first time we've ever come here and it's super busy. So that's nice that people are appreciating nature.